Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So today we are starting a new chapter named as Human Eye and Colorful World. Okay, so in this lecture we will discuss about first the human eye. Okay, so as you all know that human eye is one of the most valuable and sensitive sense organs. Okay, and it enables us to see the wonderful world and colors around us. Okay, that is why the chapter is named as human eye and colorful world. Okay, on closing the eyes we can identify objects to some extent by their smell, taste, sound, make, or by touching it. Okay, it is however impossible to identify colors while closing the eye. So, thus, of all the sense organs, the human eye is the most significant one as it enables us to see the beautiful world around us. Okay, so the human eye is like a camera. Okay, so one by one we will discuss each term in detail and the functioning of each term. Okay, its lens system form an image on a retina light sensitive screen called the retina. Okay, so what retina is, student? So what this is? Retina. Lens system forms an image on a light sensitive screen. Light sensitive screen called as retina. Okay, so the retina is the light sensitive screen here, okay, in which the lens system forms an image. Okay, so when light enters the eye through a thin membrane called the cornea, so from here light enters the eye through cornea. So cornea enables us to watch the objects. So it forms a transparent bulge on the front of the surface of eyeball. So this is like transparent bulge, somewhat bulge, and it is transparent in nature also, students. Okay, so the eyeball is approximately spherical in shape and the diameter of our eyeball is about 2.3 centimeter is the diameter of our eyeball. Okay, most of the refraction of light rays entering the eye occurs at the this surface of cornea. So the light enters at the surface of cornea. Okay, the crystalline lens merely provides the finer length adjustment of the focal length required to focus the object at different distances on the retina. So means if some object is at a far distance or some object is at a smaller distance, so a crystalline lens produces the finer adjustment of focal length of our eye. Okay, now we find a structure called iris behind the cornea. So this is the iris. This part is iris shown by here. Okay, iris is a dark. So let me write what iris is. It is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil. So the function of iris is to control the size of pupil. Okay students, and the pupil, now what is pupil function? It controls, or you can say it regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. Okay, so we know the function of pupil, cornea, lens, iris, okay, and the retina where the image is formed. Now, the eye lens forms an inverted real image of the object on the retina. So, what type of image is formed? It is inverted image. Okay, students. So, kindly keep note in mind that the image is in real inverted image. Okay, and the retina is a delicate membrane, which we have discussed that the image is found on retina, and it is a delicate membrane, delicate membrane, okay, having enormous number of light sensitive cells. So these are the cells of the retina. Okay, the light sensitive cells get activated upon illumination and generate electric signals. So these electric signals are generated by these light sensitive cells, and these signals are sent to brain via optic nerve. So what optic nerve does is it sends electrical signal okay, with the help of light sensitive cells. Okay, so light sensitive cells captures the electric signals, and these electric signals are transferred to our mind through optic nerve. The brain interprets these signals and finally process the information so that we perceive object as they are. So this is all the functioning of human eye, students. Okay, what retina does, what pupil does. What does is pupil is it regulates and controls the amount of light entering the eye. Okay, what iris does is it is a dark muscular diaphragm that controls the size of pupil. Okay, so till now we have discussed all the parts of eye. Okay, and if you have still any doubt or any question based on this, then students you can comment in the comment section. I will be happy to help you guys there. Thank you. Happy learning.